Hey, it's Melissa Moore, and welcome to Melissa's Mile High Kitchen. You are wanting that delicious, gluten-free sausage tater tot. Some people call it an egg bake. We grew up calling it an egg casserole. I'm using these disposable 13 by 9 inch, they're cake pans. I reheat that oven to 375. Grabbed a 16-ounce Jimmy Dean breakfast sausage, half an onion, 1 pepper. All right, so you've got your sausage browning, and now you're gonna put in your peppers, your onions. This takes about 2 pounds of tater tots. Let's put this on top of the tater tots. I want you to get a cup of the Monterey Jack cheese. This is Monterey Jack and Colby. 1 cup of sharp cheddar. So once you get 8 eggs, we are going to be pouring the eggs right on top of the whole thing. The first 25 minutes with the foil on it. All right, so we just took the foil off, 375 for another 20-25 minutes. Oh, this is so delicious. I was gonna keep eating.